Hello everyone and welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you are all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for today's project. The full tutorial how to create this bracelet base or bracelet cord you have in the top right corner of this video here. And for today's project we need the gold paracord and the purple one. So now we're gonna insert our cord. So the working end of the gold is from the left and the working end for the purple will be from the right. So we're gonna insert the purple from the back side between these cow hitches here. I'm gonna zoom so you can clearly see, like so. Sorry. And now when we insert it here, we're gonna insert it from the top into the cow's hitches here, and we're gonna secure it. We left some of the cord. We're gonna cut it off on the end and melt it down. Now then be said, we can continue. So from the top into the gap between second and the third cord, or in the gap in the center. Now the purple from the back through the middle, so from the back around and to the top, like so. In the first gap between first and the second strand from the right side, as you can see. And now from here around and into the next gap. It's the gap between second and the third, also from the top. So now pull it, tight it, cinch it well up. Like so, and continue. So from the top side into the middle, the gap between second and the third cord, and here from the back on top, and then into the gap between first and the second cord. So from the top side through the back, and here again from the back side through the gap between first and the second cord, and then into the gap between second and the third cord. Now tight and continue. From the top into the gap between second and the third, and here from the back side into the gap between third and the fourth, around from the back into the gap between third and the fourth, and now from the top side into the gap between second and the third. So we are finished our today's project. As you can see, I finish it here with just one spin or one loop. And now we're gonna cut off the excess of cord and we're gonna melt it down. So we are finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and of course, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and stay safe, be well, until the next time. Wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.